Never have I ever dated a mbaba.
Compose a sentence starting with never have I ever.
Never have I ever drank alcohol. Never have I ever dated a mbaba.
Never have I ever eaten a dog.
Never have I ever met Emery.
Never have I ever eaten pork.
Never have I ever kissed someone. Never have I ever had a pet.
Never have I ever gone to Tanzania.
Never have I never been into Tanzania.
Never have I ever went to Mombasa.
Never have I ever eaten pizza. Never have I ever taken whiskey.
Never have I ever drank wine.
Ever have I never been married.
Never have I ever went to Kisumu.
Never have I ever boarded a plane. Never have I ever hooked.
Never have I ever gone to Kware.
Never have I ever slept hungry.
Never have I ever worn a gown.
Never have I ever danced. Never have I ever taken a mzinga.
Never have I ever eaten a donkey.
Never have I ever owned a cow.
Never have I ever cooked matoke.